What's your favourite childhood memory of being in nature? Take a moment to remember. What did you touch? What smells were there? What did you hear?
Exploring rock pools and identifying as many coastal creatures as possible.
Playing in the mud, it's just getting dirty and getting messy with my clothes.
Y hoff athro fi fel plentyn yw tyfu lan a edrych dan y shed a ffindio pob math o bethau gyda'r ymrodyr, o brogawd i slowworms.
Could climb like the trees and see all the animals.
Fi I gawag ger Abertawe gyda fy nain a dad cu.
30 yards in front of us, pod of dolphins. Just absolutely amazing.
Surfing and bodyboarding, seals.
Looking at the tree canopy.
How did you feel in that memory?
I just felt alive. It was great.
Freedom, exhilaration, excitement.
Felt like I could have been kind of anywhere in the world.
Calmness, you know, I feel like I'm at ease.
What nature memories would you gift to future generations?
All the things that we had when we were children, all the birds.
More inclusive green spaces.
Clean ocean waters and clear beaches.
The abundance of real life.
People all over our beautiful green country have their sleeves rolled up and are stuck in with creating a Wales that we'd be proud to show our future generations. But we can't do this alone. Wales cares. People are acting. We need to share this drive in order to help others do the same. We need to show those around us that it's normal to care, that it's normal to act, and that it's in our nature to be connected to one another.
We need a nature-positive Wales.
Natur positif Cymru.
Nature-positive Wales. Nature-positive Wales.
Dros y dŵr mae'r nos yn cael, mae'r creaduriaid yn agosau.